Everyone, it is Guy here from Some Guys Food. Bit flat today, but I'll be alright. Bit of business first before I get into whatever it is I'm talking about today. We've had pretty much a non-booking or cancellation on the 7th of December. So if you are looking to do some sort of early Christmas party, you've got one or just have friends around, or just cause, let me know. And it's basically first in to get that date, best dressed, essentially. So we don't really have any other dates apart from New Year's, because New Year's is still available. So if you want something fun on New Year's, hit me up and we'll lock you in. But yeah, just want to talk about basically the in-home dining again. So a lot of the time people ask, what do I need? You know, so not as in what I need, what does the guests need? Like, what do they need to have a private chef in? And the biggest thing I tell them is nothing. You need a bench and a stove and an oven, because they're the three things I can't physically bring. I bring like my knives, I bring my pans, I bring my pots, I bring my plates, boards, cutlery, napkins, tongs, spoons, anything. I bring everything else along. So the only thing I need from the place I'm going is a stove, an oven, and a bench to basically put stuff on. So I mean, there's other stuff like table and chairs and yada yada yada, but if you're organising an in-home dining and you don't have table and chairs, maybe don't organise an in-home dining. Yeah, no, look, it's such an exciting experience, but it's so, I don't want to use the term new because it's been around for a while, but the biggest thing people tend to do or say or think is that it just doesn't, they just don't know anything about it. Do you know what I mean? They just go themselves going, oh, well, what do I need? What do I do? How do I start? Who do I talk to? Because there's no, like, you want a computer, you know, you can go to shops and get a computer. You want to get lunch, you can go to a cafe or a restaurant. You want to get a coffee, you can go to a coffee shop. You can go to a servo and get a coffee. You want to buy a car, you go to a car dealership, right? But where do you go to get a chef, right? So that's the biggest thing, and then people know it exists, they just don't organize it. So, you know, hopefully these little videos kind of portray, in a sense, in a friendly, easygoing, relaxed way, which is all we do. Like, anyone that's had the in-home dining experience, like, let me know what you thought. Let me know if it is relaxed, because I think it is fairly laid back and fairly relaxed and chilled. If you don't think it is, let me know so I can change things, because we always love feedback. We always want to know. But yeah, you know, let me know what you think, and hopefully, yeah, we can fill up, obviously, the 7th. But hopefully I can educate people in the sense that you don't really need anything. You don't need anything at all. You just need, I mean, you need the want to have yummy food. And you need a bench, an oven, and a stove. That's it. Alright guys, I will feed you all later. Bye.